The weather is nice today. The weather is nice today. Today is sunny. Today is sunny. The sun is bright. The sun is bright. I like sunny days. I like sunny days. It is a warm day. It is a warm day. The sky is blue. The sky is blue. I see white clouds. I see white clouds. The weather feels good. The weather feels good. I enjoy the sunshine. I enjoy the sunshine. The sun feels warm. The sun feels warm. It is windy today. It is windy today. The wind is strong. The wind is strong. The wind is cool. The wind is cool. The trees are moving. The trees are moving. The leaves are flying. The leaves are flying. It is raining today. It is raining today. I hear the rain. I hear the rain. The rain is falling. The rain is falling. The ground is wet. The ground is wet. I like the sound of rain. I like the sound of rain. The rain is heavy. The rain is heavy. The rain is light. The rain is light. I take an umbrella. I take an umbrella. My umbrella is blue. My umbrella is blue. The road is wet. The road is wet. It is cloudy today. It is cloudy today. The sky is gray. The sky is gray. The clouds are dark. The clouds are dark. It may rain soon. It may rain soon. The air feels cool. The air feels cool. Today is cold. Today is cold. I wear a jacket. I wear a jacket. The wind feels cold. The wind feels cold. I wear warm clothes. I wear warm clothes. I drink hot tea. I drink hot tea. Winter is cold. Winter is cold. I like winter mornings. I like winter mornings. The air is fresh. The air is fresh. I see my breath. I see my breath. I stay warm indoors. I stay warm indoors. Summer is hot. Summer is hot. The sun is strong. The sun is strong. I drink cold water. I drink cold water. I wear light clothes. I wear light clothes. I like cold drinks. I like cold drinks. Spring is beautiful. Spring is beautiful. Flowers bloom in spring. Flowers bloom in spring. The weather is pleasant. The weather is pleasant. Birds sing in spring. Birds sing in spring. The air smells fresh. The air smells fresh. Autumn is calm. Autumn is calm. Leaves change color. Leaves change color. The leaves turn yellow. The leaves turn yellow. The leaves fall down. The leaves fall down. The weather is cool. The weather is cool. I check the weather. I check the weather. I watch the forecast. I watch the forecast. The forecast says rain. The forecast says rain. Tomorrow may be sunny. Tomorrow may be sunny. The weather changes quickly. The weather changes quickly. Morning weather is cool. Morning weather is cool. Afternoon weather is warm. Afternoon weather is warm. Evening weather is calm. Evening weather is calm. Night air is cool. Night air is cool. The stars shine at night. The stars shine at night. The moon is bright tonight. The moon is bright tonight. I enjoy the night sky. I enjoy the night sky. The air feels peaceful. The air feels peaceful. Weather affects my mood. Weather affects my mood. Sunshine makes me happy. Sunshine makes me happy. Rain makes me relaxed. Rain makes me relaxed. Wind feels refreshing. Wind feels refreshing. Cool air feels nice. Cool air feels nice. Warm weather feels comfortable. Warm weather feels comfortable. I enjoy every season. I enjoy every season. Each season is unique. Each season is unique. Weather is part of life. Weather is part of life. Nature is beautiful. Nature is beautiful. I enjoy the outdoors. I enjoy the outdoors. I walk in good weather. I walk in good weather. I stay inside in storms. I stay inside in storms. Storms can be strong. Storms can be strong. Lightning flashes in storms. Lightning flashes in storms. Thunder sounds loud. Thunder sounds loud. Storms pass quickly. Storms pass quickly. Clear skies look beautiful. Clear skies look beautiful. I love peaceful weather. I love peaceful weather. Weather changes every day. Weather changes every day. Today's weather is good. Today's weather is good. Tomorrow will be different. Tomorrow will be different. Weather affects our plans. Weather affects our plans. I plan my day carefully. I plan my day carefully. I enjoy learning about weather. I enjoy learning about weather. Weather words are useful. Weather words are useful. I speak English every day. I speak English every day. English practice improves skills. English practice improves skills. Repeating sentences helps learning. Repeating sentences helps learning. Practice builds confidence. Practice builds confidence. See you in the next episode. See you in the next episode. Keep learning English daily. Keep learning English daily.